Hi guys, it's Eric here, and today is a Chinese Valentine's Day. I hope you are having a fantastic day now. Currently, I'm single, still single, but no matter. So let's take a look at this today's daily question. Alice and Bob playing flower game. Ooh, flower game is romantic here, huh? But don't be fooled by the text. Behind the petals lurks a brutal war between the Alice and Bob here. So let's check out the text for the question first. So Alice and Bob are playing in a turn-based game on field with two lanes of flowers between them. There are X flowers in the first lane between Alice and Bob, and Y flowers in the second lane between them. This is Alice, this is Bob. Okay, so the game proceeds as follows. Alice takes the first turn. Each turn, a player must choose either one of the lane and pick one flower from that side. At the end of the turn, if there are no flowers left at all, the current player captures their opponent and wins the game. And I think this is too weird for this explanation. Let me declare this very briefly. If someone takes a flower, which is the last flower between the two, then for example, if we demolish all the flower here, only this one left, and Alice took it, then Alice will left the game, vice versa for Bob, right? So given two integers n and m, the task is to compute the number of possible pairs x and y that satisfy the conditions. The first one is Alice must win the game according to the described rules. The second one is the number of flowers x in the first lane must be in the range 1 to m. Remember, it's inclusive. Okay, the third one is the number of the flowers y in the second lane must be in the range 1 to m, also inclusive. We're going to return the number of possible pairs x, y that satisfy the conditions mentioned in the statement. So let's take a look at the example here. By the way, I think after my explanation, the question is become much more easier, right? So the first one is we're gonna input n equals to 3, m equals to 2. We're gonna output is a 3 because we only get these three pairs that can guarantee our Alice will definitely win the game between the Bob here. So you can see the total number between the pair 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 1, they are all odd number here, right? This is because in our game, since Alice will take the first turn to pick up a flower, and in this situation, if and only if our total number is odd number, we will get Alice win. Let's look at the example here. We got 3 and 2, right? So for m, we got a 1, 2, 3, and for m, we got a 1, 2. So we have 6 conditions in total. It's 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 1, 3, 2. Okay, let's take a look at the even number situation. They say I'm gonna say oh, this is Alice. Okay, forget it. This is Bob. I cannot draw a single lady here. So we're gonna take at this situation here. There are two in total, right? And Alice will take the first. I will take this one or this one here. You can see no matter Alice no matter what Alice takes, they will definitely remaining only one, and Bob will win the game, right? So this situation we're gonna pass this. For this situation here, also Alice will take this one, or this one, or Alice took. Let's assume that Alice took this one, and Bob took this one. Alice took this one. Okay, we got only one left here, right? Well, got only one left here, so I think Bob will definitely win the game either. And so in this situation, um, we can find that the only thing that can guarantee Alice win is that the total number of the flowers is even. Is odd, right? So okay, my first instinct for this question is brute force, right? No matter the first line, we're gonna try all the possibilities, right? After all, our computers are really fast to computing this one. So I'm gonna code the number here. Count equals to 0. Remember, we only need to return the count. The count is we count how many odd numbers we will get in our loop. So for x in range 1 and plus 1. Remember, this is inclusive, and in range, the range is exclusive here, so we're gonna plus 1. For y in range 1 and plus 1, if x plus y. So how can you judge a number is an odd number? It's module 2 does not equal to 0, right? Count plus plus equals to 1. We're gonna return our count here. So let's check if this code works. Oh, what's going on here? Okay, boom. TRE errors, time limit exit. So why? Because in this situation, our time complexity is okay. Okay, Leetcode. Okay, thank you. Okay, in this situation, our time complexity is O m multiplies to m, and our constraints is this is a printable, right? So in this situation, the time limit complexity, the time limit exceeded will explode in your face. So let's think, can we get another solution to this one? Can make our time complexity be only O1 or On? So remember, in our primary school here, 1 plus 1, this is odd, this is odd. We will get even, right? 2 plus 2. In this situation, we will get also even, right? So in these two big situation, Alice will definitely win this, lose this game. So what we're gonna do is, can we find two pairs that make our result will be forever and always an odd number? Yes, we definitely have this. It's odd plus 2. Uh, odd plus 2 even, or even plus 2 odd here. Now let's check out, this is 3 and this is 9 here, right? Both of them are odd. So in this situation, we only need to we only need to find all pairs with one odd and one even. So how we count of odd numbers and even numbers in a range, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, like here. So I think in our junior school or high school, we only know this here, right? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, and n. If we get this range of numbers, the number of the odd numbers is m plus 1, and what I type? M plus 1 plus n plus 1. We got a floor division what? Floor division 2, right? If we want to count the number of the even number here, we got n floor division 2. So that is a method that we can get all the odd numbers and even numbers from a range. And for range 1 to m also, we will use this one. So our possible winning pairs is what? Is our odd numbers from n equals to even numbers from m plus even numbers from m multiplies odd numbers from m, right? This is our final this is our final answer. So our final code will be very simple and clear with only one lane. So here is a final code I'm gonna show you. Return m plus 1 floor division 2 and multiplies m floor division 2 plus n floor division 2. This one will get odd number. This is even number, and this is the even number, right? This is the even number. Multiplies m plus 1 floor division to 2, and one shot, 1 KO. The complexity here is very simple, right? 001. Okay, so Alice wins, Bob cries. Our CPUs will happy, not cries as Bob. So let's submit our code. Okay, so our runtime will be 100% our component, our competent, right? So what we have learned today from this question is brute force feels safe until it has you in the back with the TLE error. So think twice before you want to implement a brute force. And by the way, you should check the constraints here. Like this is a very huge numbers, so sometimes the brute force will definitely return to the TLE error here. And we're gonna look for the patterns. We will count it in smart ways, not too hard way. And always check who's odd and who's even, especially in dating. Oh, sorry, I'm encoding here. So thank you and happy Valentine's Day again. And I'm Eric, and I'm happy to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.